Good morning students. I am Tapaswini Patnaik, lecturer in zoology, Nalanda Plus 2 Science College, Barampur, Jayaprakash Nagar. Today's topic is human reproduction. The human reproduction topic jiba पूर्वरु प्रथमे हमें जानिबा को पड़िबो what is reproduction. What is reproduction? Reproduction is a process in which a organism produces its young ones of its own kind. This process is known as reproduction. Reproduction means it is a process in which an organism produces its young ones of its own kind. Then we have to know the types of reproduction. There is two types of reproduction are present. One is sexual reproduction and another is asexual reproduction. One is sexual reproduction and another one is asexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, gametes are produced and sex organs are also required. But in case of asexual reproduction, gametes are not produced and sex organ is not required. So we will write it. Sexual reproduction in which gametes are produced and sex organs are also required. But in case of asexual reproduction, gametes are not produced and sex organs are not required. So gametes are produced from the gonads. We know that what is gonads? Gonads are two types. One is testis and another is ovary. In case of male, it is called as testis, and in case of female, it is known as ovary. From testis, the sperms are produced. These are the gametes in case of male, and ovary, the eggs are produced, which are the gametes in female. Which are the gametes in female. Sperms are the gametes in male and eggs are the gametes in female. Then we talk about the reproductive cycle, which starts with many phases. The phases are as follows. The phases are as follows. These are, first one is the gametogenesis. Gametogenesis. Next, insemination. Third one is the fertilization. Next, cleavage or divisional phase. Next, implantation. Next, placentation. Next, gastrulation. And last one is the Parturition. So we will discuss detail all the phases which are included in all reproductive cycle. First one is the gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is the process in which gametes are produced. We know that gametes are sperm and eggs are the gametes which are produced from the testis and ovary respectively. Gametogenesis is the process in which gametes are produced. Next is the insemination process. In this process, the male gamete, that is the sperm, enters into the female body through the genital organ or genital tract or reproductive tract. This process is known as insemination. Next step is the fertilization. Fertilization means the male gamete fuse with the female gamete and makes a zygote, that is diploid zygote. Fertilization means, we will write here, the haploid male gamete fuses with the haploid female gamete and converts into diploid zygote. It is the process of fertilization. Next step is the cleavage. In that phase, the zygote divides, statin divides and forms many phases. These are morula, blastula, etc. In that phase, in cleavage phase, morula, blastula, etc. phases are formed. Next, implantation. In implantation, the structure which is formed goes into the uterus. In implantation, the structure goes into the uterus and implanted. Next step is the placentation. In placentation, the placenta is connected to the zygote or the embryo, which supply nourishment to the embryo. In placentation, placenta is formed and combined to the zygote or embryo which supply nourishment. What is the function of placenta? It supplies nutrition or nourishment to the embryo. Next step is the gastrulation. In gastrulation phase, the three germ layers are prepared. The three germ layers are prepared. These are ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. These are ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. From these layers, the whole embryonic development occurs. That means from these layers, organ system and whole embryonic development takes place. Embryonic development takes place from these layers. This is known as gastrulation. And last phase is the parturition. Parturition is also known as delivery of baby. Delivery of baby or offspring or young ones. The parturition is a state in which the baby is completed or the embryo is fully developed and expels out through the mother's body. And last one is the, in human case, there is a term gestation period, which is known as gestation period or delivery period. Gestation period in human being is particularly 280 days or 9 months approximately. The gestation period in human case approximately 280 days or 9 months. So in these total phases, the reproductive cycle is completed. First one is the gametogenesis, in which gametes are produced. First one is the sperm by the process of spermatogenesis, and second one is the egg which produced by the oogenesis. Next one is the insemination. In this process, the sperms enters into the female body. Next one is the fertilization. In fertilization, the diploid zygote is developed. Next one is the cleavage. In this phase, the zygote divides and forms the morula, blastula, etc. Next one is the implantation. In implantation, the structure which is formed in cleavage stage, which goes into the uterus and combines or attached into the uterine wall. Next one is the placentation. In placentation, the placenta is formed which supply the nourishment to the embryo. Next one is the gastrulation. In gastrulation phase, 3 germ layers are produced, which one is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. From these layers, the all organ system and all embryonic development takes place. And last one is the parturition. Parturition means delivery, in which the embryo, the fully developed embryo, expelling out from the mother's body. And last one is the gestation period or gestation period, we also known as pregnancy period, which is in human case approximately 280 days or 9 months. In the next class, we will discuss about the male reproductive system. Thank you.